what you need here. Let's see. You wanted some guitar in there, correct? I have the guitar, far side guitar player. Okay, and Allegra guitar. Okay, and let's hit the vocals one more time. Could I get the far side vocal real quick?
Toast, toast, toast. How are we doing? More toast for you. Hopefully not burnt toast.
Okay, and Allegra vocal.
Check, check, check. Hi, everyone.
Okay.
Right.
Now that we did that, are we happy, or you've got just a couple minutes here? Do you want to?
Yeah, we'll just finish up the tune and then.
Yeah,
check,
sounds
check,
good.
check.
Take it away.
Can we start from the chorus right before the stop, like for seeing and we go, and then we'll do the stop. Okay. Okay. I didn't hear it counted. Okay. That's okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you guys happy? Yep. Awesome. Sounds great.